side or this side, if you know what I mean. And the pieces are together. We're using So we've got the middle door about 95% installed. We've got a little bit of a plumb issue here, but we got plenty of room on the bottom to deal with that. And I'll show you how it came together on the top. It's going to be a little bright. I have to come from the top here. So we've got our pipe going through the two hinges. The hinges are bolted to the header and to the wall. So we're just going to lower this right-hand side just a little bit to bring it down, get it a little more plumb, and the whole thing will be able to slide to one side to get out of the way of the track for the garage door. A little bit of work left to do just to lower this left side just a little bit, and we're good. Got those holes drilled for the pipe today. And we're going to end up putting a little spacer in between that, sort of like a washer with a 1 1/16 inch hole in it. The whole door will slide this way, so the upper track that comes up here, when it attaches to here, won't bind with the other one. We just move it over and then roll it up, and it'll be out of the way. Of course, this pipe will be shortened, and it'll be out of the way of all the hardware for the garage doors. That's it. Yeah. So the door is going to come up like this. And it's going to just miss the wheel. Of course, so I can go back another 8 inches on that. Good. Cool. It's going to have like a sheeting out on the outside, sort of like a thin sheet of metal on there, as lightweight as we can get it, to be the finish, and then we'll probably paint that. And we'll fill these holes in here with some track, some bottom track. It'll cover this and go around here like that. 3 sides. There you have it. And then we'll attach a big hook right here, and the winch will come up like so to about right in here and go up and over to the side and be attached to the wall over there, and we'll operate the winch from over there, and it'll handle 2,000 pounds, so that should be plenty. There'll be a pulley up here in the middle. You get the name, didn't you? I don't know. Okay, so this is how it's going to attach to the floor once it's down. One on each side, this one here, through this, bolt it through this, hook to the winch, okay? And then, of course, our solid rod and the 2 hinges that we built are up there. We have this is a temporary system. We need 1 piece extra to use that little bracket that we have right there. You can see it, the little black thing, to go through there so it stays right in the middle. But we're actually probably going to move it back because this is all kind of testing out today. 1 more pulley right there, and it comes down to the 2,000-pound winch, which is connected to a battery, which is all this is all temporary because we're going to have a solar system here eventually. And now we're going to show you what happens when we lower it. That's good right there, Greg. So that's where the tension no longer is on it. Of course, there'll be a little bit more. Slide down like that. And it's just solid as can be. What we're gonna do is raise the wall up with the temporary stuff on it so we can get the airplane out of here and not have it be subject to falling tools and drills and things like that. So this is what it's gonna kind of look like. Okay, that's good. All right, so the reason we're taking this out is because the pivot point for that is actually got to move back to one more of the trusses to this one right here, so it's right above it. So that's what we're doing, and we're going to move the airplane out. Keep going a little bit. Okay. All right, this is, we've got the new turnbuckle up there with the eye bolt, moved it back. And it's all right, just keep going. All right, so that's the way it's going to be. The less load on it, the quieter it gets. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and go a little bit more. More? Yeah. And then bring me a slide bolt.